Now you might laugh. Of course, you probably know how to do things, how to shovel things, how to get things up. But I'm just going to show you my technique, and I've used this same technique, the same setup, getting all of these rocks out of here, okay, and the same setup, getting all of the decomposed granite. This had 3 inches of decomposed granite. Can you believe that? 3 inches of decomposed granite all along here. I had to get all that out so that then I could start digging up roots around the trees. I could do some other stuff. I could fix some drip irrigation lines. I could fix the concrete mowing strips. I couldn't do that with having the decomposed granite in my way. So I stacked it all over here. I'm doing it the same technique, half a bucket, 3/4 of a bucket at a time. Boom, 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 boom. All of this, it took me quite a few hours, but hey, the slow turtle wins the race, I guess, and once I get all done, once I get the plants done, once I get the drip irrigation done, once I get the plants put down, once I get the cloth, the weed block down, I'm going to take the decomposed granite and I'm going to sprinkle that on top of here, maybe 1.5 inches or 2 inches of the decomposed granite. Now granted, most of this decomposed granite is not 100% perfect like brand new stuff, okay? It's got bits and pieces of rock and a little bit of dirt, not a whole lot of dirt, because I scraped that up carefully before I put it over there. But that's 25-year-old decomposed granite, but I can use that for a base here, can I? And then I can use the rest of that as a base over in this area, can I? When I get this ready, and then I'm gonna get somebody to deliver a big pile of decomposed granite out on the street, and then I'll have to shovel it and bring it in with the wheelbarrow and all that kind of stuff when I'm ready, and then I'll pour that over the top of the old decomposed granite. Do you see what I mean? That way I don't have to use brand new decomposed granite for everything. Okay, as it was, if you're going to do that, what are you going to do with the old decomposed granite that you have here? Because that was filled up all the way up to the top, all the way up to the top of the brick, all the way up to the top of the mowing strip. What are you going to do with that? Do you see what I mean? And there was no way I was going to have to load this up in a truck or something like that and haul it away and all that kind of stuff. I'm being resourceful, and I don't want to spend any more money than I have to. Okay, all right, so just follow along, and I'm gonna go ahead and shovel this stuff up right here.